Girl, look at this hair. You gotta comb out. OMG, this. Ready, set. What I do, how I moisturize my hair, but right now I just got a shower, so I have to comb it out. Have to take off this jewelry, take off my necklace, and let's begin. Now I'm ready to moisturize. One of my key moisturizing oils I use is castor oil. Not just any castor oil. I use the castor oil, this one right here. Castor oil. Alright, and this castor oil it's cold pressed and 100% solvent free. It is hexane free and paraben free. 100% vegan. It doesn't matter if it's vegan or not. For me, I like my oils to be 100% natural, and I learned that hexane free actually helps the oil absorb quicker into your scalp without any chemicals, and I really like this. So here goes. I should put enough in here, rub it into my scalp. This is my thick, it's considered a carrier, I said that, thick. It's considered the carrier oil, and I rub it into my scalp. When I first start in the middle here, go all the way down. As you can see, my puppy, Coco, is trying to get some attention here. She likes to cuddle before her nap times and curl on my lap like a little big baby. Alright, so I'll part this in 4 pieces like I did earlier, so it's kind of parted already. Excuse you. Go. No licking on my, she's trying to lick this oil off my hair. What's going on here? Go. I'm not a snack. Alright, and that's Coco, my new puppy, and she's like, it's more like having a baby or a toddler. You have to really watch over them. And she's trying to get to my Oreos. Hey, no, go. On your bed, right there, your Chewbacca bed. Go. Sorry about that. She's very loving and she loves attention. She just wants attention all the time. Okay, so more oil here, and this is a castor oil. I'm gonna take this into 4 parts. And again, I'm going in here, I really went in here. This is a heavier oil, so you don't have to use this if you don't want to. I just like it on my scalp because it promotes thicker hair for me, as I've been using it since last May. And I'll part this up here, rub it into my scalp, and then take it in the back. Right here, part it in half. Again, still some on my hand, and kind of, even though I just talked about keeping it on your scalp, I like it on my roots sometimes if my hair is very dry. Okay, for the ends and the rest of your hair, if you want something lighter, I have this almond oil. This sweet almond oil. I really love it because it's light. You could use it, some people use it all over their body. And I just use it on my hair, on the ends of my hair, instead of just all castor oil. Part your hair, get inside, get in there, make sure you're feeding your hair all this vitamins and nutrients, natural oils, no chemicals. Your hair deserves it. And again, I have a mirror in front of me over here. I'll put some more of this sweet almond oil. Again, I'll link these oils if you can see them. Okay. And Coco wants to eat these oils, and she's just running over here thinking that she's gonna come and lick my hair. No, you can see her hair, her tail back there. And I'm almost done. Again, this is easy to do. I usually moisturize my hair after I wash it with sweet, sorry, it's Coco back there again. Good old Coco. With sweet almond oil. It's really nice, very easy. It goes through your hair, not just like a slip. Again, I like to saturate my hair a little. I've been having some dry scalp lately, and it's been flaking a little up here. So I'm going to concentrate in this area, on this area. And again, if you'd like to see how I mix my oils, again, I have a spray bottle where I actually put some essential oils. Uh-oh. No, get out of here. Go. Did you just eat one of my Oreos? Go. Scram. Okay. I'm going to go in the back. Place this oil in my hand again. Some more. Again, if you want to part that, place this oil all the way to your ends. And again, you can leave this oil in your hair. Just make sure you either wrap your hair at night if you have to, or leave it in a high bun. Anyone can use these oils. It won't weigh your hair down. Sweet almond oil won't weigh your hair down, but the castor oil is a thicker oil. It's a carrier oil. Usually you add essential oils like lavender or green tea into it. Add whatever you need to do to stimulate your scalp growth, hair growth. Again, if you like to hear more about natural oils for the hair, and this is what my hair is looking like right now. Right there, nice and moisturized. My scalp, my hair feels good, it's moisturized. And if you like this video, please click subscribe down below.